Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you, and this one is called A Touch of Spring. It's a journal kit from ARTYmaze. I've also used some things from Tsunami Rose and the Old Design Shop, and anyone else I will mention as I go through. So it's a fabric cover. It's got this lovely fabric on there. It's got little bits stuck to it now. And I've still got to pull away some of the threads here. It's 8¼ inches by 5 inches, so it's not a traveller's notebook, and it has one signature, 68 pages front and back, and it's stuffed quite full. So this topper that I've made, I've used some paper, some lined paper from that kit, which is A Touch of Spring. This is actually a napkin, and I think ARTYmaze actually sent me these, so thank you for that. Little butterfly there, that's a freebie. The word is a freebie. This will be listed in my shop if you're interested. We've got eyelets and organza ribbon as a closure, and we've got some tabs throughout the pages. So let's go inside, make sure I'm in frame. Okay, so this is one of the pages from the kit. Love the bunny, isn't that so pretty? Then here I've used some of the pages to make pockets, and I've stitched all around them. These words are a freebie from ARTYmaze. Again, the butterfly's a freebie. This is actually from the kit. This is from Tsunami Rose. And this is for one of my digitals, which is the green pockets and tags. We've got a doily, some music paper here. This is the Old Design Shop, and I made another tag using the napkin. I thought it was so pretty, that napkin. So that's just paper clipped on. That's a freebie from ARTYmaze, and this is actually from Spring Mist, I think. Some lined paper. Here we've got a paper bag, and I've just folded it over to create a couple of little tucks. I've used the Tim Holtz, one of the flower dies, can't remember what it's called now. Let me see if I can find it. It's this one here. So I used that. These I've actually die cutted, is that actually a word, die cutted? I'd die cut them quite a while ago on some cardstock that I had just like splodged paint on and things like that. This is from ARTYmaze's ephemera kit, and so is this, and it's actually opened at the back as well, but I've just popped that in there like so. Here we've got, that's an envelope that's paper clipped on there. We've got a tag. This is from Tsunami Rose, and this is the envelope, and it's just got some paper inside there that you can journal on. I actually coffee dyed these, and then I gessoed on the inside of them just to give them some extra strength. So that's that, and that just goes in there. Another page from the kit, another pocket that I made, and I stitched all around the edge. This little piece of ephemera here is from Tsunami Rose, and that's ARTYmaze, and that's the freebie. We've got a tag from the kit. This is from Tsunami Rose. It's from one of our ephemera kits. We have a tag from the kit and a postcard from the kit. Some journal pages, it's all been coffee dyed, and then this is one of the pages. It's like a collage page from the kit. I did chop a bit off the bottom, but I made this little like a tri-fold pocket holder thing, and then in each one we've got a tag and a postcard, all from the kit. These butterflies are actually from one of ARTYmaze's other butterfly kits. We have that, and then here, and I've just done some stenciling on there. And we have that one and that little postcard there. And you can fold it either way. And it's just hooked on there. Another page from the kit. I've made a triple pocket there. It's a freebie. It's a little bit of fabric there with some fraying of the fabric, the butterfly, journal card, a tag, a postcard, all from the kit. Look at the little bunnies. I'm not sure if they're actually bunnies or hares. A stenciled tag, and obviously as you can see I've stitched around all that. And how did I have that? I can't remember. That away, I think. And then that just pops in there. I think that's how I had it. Oh, that's just a little bit stuck there, a little bit of glue. There we go. Doily, music paper, the old design shop. This was another bunny napkin that I had, and I just put a little simple label on there because there was just so much colour on that you know, it was a shame to hide any of it, and it's just been sewn onto I think it's on cardstock and on coffee dyed paper. And the cardstock I did actually paint on because I wasn't sure what I was going to do with it, and then I done some stamping that you can see peeking through there. Some lined paper, more journaling pages, centre of the signature, lined paper, another one of these paper bag pockets. This ephemera is from Tsunami, no it's not, it's from ARTYmaze, from her ephemera kit. And again, that's the Tim Holtz flower die, and it says flowering down here. Another side tuck that I've made, I used another one of the dies, butterfly, a ticket from the kit, and it says flowering there as well. Inside there we've got a little bit of ephemera from Tsunami Rose. We have a little envelope from that kit, and inside there's 2 little journal cards that you can write on. And it doesn't want to go in. There we go. And that goes in there, and then we have a postcard with the tab on there. I made one of these. A little bit of string on there that folds up, and we've got a journal card inside there. And obviously we just got the little circle to hide the brad that I used to do that. And that's just like that. Paper clipped on. Another pocket here. Got a butterfly, a little piece of ephemera from Tsunami Rose. This is from ARTYmaze. That is a freebie. That's from my green tags and pocket kit. That is from the kit, the Touch of Spring kit. We have another envelope here with the bunny. It's just got some paper inside like the other one. I won't bother taking that out. That goes on that way. Inside, well, not inside there, but tucked behind the envelope flap is another tag. Another tag from Tsunami Rose. And another napkin tag here. I just thought that was really pretty, and it looks really kind of spring-like. Little bird house, the birdie, and it says love makes a house a home. That's a freebie from ARTYmaze. And the butterflies from one of ARTYmaze's butterfly ephemera kits. Well, we have some, this is some a French letter from the old design shop. That's some music paper, a doily, and then here we have another corner tuck with the word, the butterfly, and I've got that like tucked behind there. Again, this is from my green tag pockets and tags kit. This is from Tsunami Rose. Fingers don't want to work. And a tag from the kit with a tab on there. And then this journal card from the kit. And that just pops on there like so. So that is the journal, another chunky one. So like I said, this is called A Touch of Spring journal kit from ARTYmaze. It will be listed in my shop if you're interested. If you have any questions, then just ask away and I will try and answer them as best I can. And I hope you're all having a great day. So I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.